Hello. This is a walkthrough of how to accept payments in person with just a mobile phone or tablet and the Stripe dashboard app. No extra hardware required. You can collect payments using Tap to Pay with Stripe Terminal, manually entering card details, or sharing a QR code, all using the Stripe dashboard app. To start, open and activate a Stripe account, then download the Stripe dashboard app and sign in. To accept a payment in person, tap the plus symbol on the app's home screen, and then tap Charge a Card or Send an Invoice. Once you've entered the amount, in supported countries, you can choose to accept contactless payments using Tap to Pay with Stripe Terminal. Tap to Pay works with physical contactless cards and digital wallets. The customer will tap their form of payment to your compatible iPhone or Android device. You can also enter your customer's card details directly in the app to take their payment. Or, if you want to let your customers input their payment details themselves, you can also share a QR code for any payment link. Once the customer has scanned the code, they'll be able to complete payment on their phone. That's how you can accept payments in person using the Stripe dashboard app. Create an account or log in, then visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to get started.